What's up, guys? This is Mike on Trushine cleaning. Out here at a repeat client home. So, doing 3 areas of carpet. I just got done vacuuming. I did not get no before videos of me vacuuming, but as you can see, the condition of it does have a lot of high traffic areas here. So traffic areas here. This room is probably the best out of the 3 that I'm doing. As you can see, this room, take my time on this like area right here to try to bring that back the best as possible. But I haven't been out here. I think the client said she moved in around 2019. So I haven't been out here in some time, and I was the last person to clean the carpet. And when I was here, I used the low moisture cleaning method, and the carpets came out great. And the reason I used the low cleaning method is because, one, my extractor for some reason stopped working when I got here. My vacuum had some issues too when I got here that day. So I had to use the low cleaning method to get the best results. And she was pleased with it at that time. For some reason today, when I came out my vacuum right here. My vacuum, for some reason, the brush wasn't spinning. And I cracked my hose this morning too, so just having problems. It seemed like it's only at this house. But now my hose on my vacuum cracked, so I had to kind of rig that to make that work. But the main thing was the brush wasn't spinning, and if I couldn't get that to work, I'm not sure what I was gonna do. But I got to messing with it, cleaned it out, ran it for a while without the brushes, and it seemed like it just kicked back on. Maybe it was cold, I don't know. But this carpet definitely needed that brush because it needed to dig into this carpet and pull up as much dry soil as possible. So, I'm gonna get ready to start pre-spraying. I got my Oric up here I'm gonna scrub. So, yep, show you guys the result. Just finished up. Carpet looks way better than it did before.